Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Tea Learning Tutorials. Hope you are doing good. So today we are going to learn about the 5 Q rules of the Leadership Success and Life Transformation series. So what are these 5 Qs? So number one is have that quest to reach your goal. Quest. Number two, being qualified to reach and achieve that ultimate potential. Number three, quintessential qualities, which we're going to discuss further. Number four, quality impacts and quality matters. Number five, being a leader, you have to be quick to learn more and then take that good decision. Alright, so let's start. First, I would like to share a beautiful quotation which says, professionalism means consistency of quality. So, whenever we talk about leadership, we always talk about qualities of a leader, quality leadership, qualities being delivered in every project, in every scenario, in every communication, everywhere. The quality matters a lot. Okay, whether it is career, whether it is leadership career, or whether it is any other. All right. So quality is never an accident. It is always the result of intelligent efforts put in day in and day out consistently. People really forget how fast you did a job or how quickly you completed your task, but they do remember how well you did it. So learn how to embrace the broad spectrum of experiences. All right. So that was a beautiful thing. We need to inculcate and impart in our daily lives to become that top-notch leader and follow all the leadership qualities, traits. So coming back to quest, so to succeed in your quest or mission, have that single-minded devotion to your goal to achieve that. So quest is basically your single-minded focus to achieve your goals or your targets. So once you have developed that, it will become easier to reach your ultimate success. Alright, number two, qualified. So qualified, I would say, be competent, be capable enough, having all those quality and traits of a leader, have accomplished all the accomplishments and the achievements to become your ultimate best. Okay, to become the newer you, which is better you than your previous day. So compete with yourself, your progress, your growth, your life, your transformations, which are going to impact, make you a better person as a whole, with lot of qualities and lot of improvements and lot of skills. Learn new things every day, become competent in that, and then share that with others. So that makes you stand out and stand apart. So that is being qualified and approachable, being competent enough in what you're delivering and what you're committing. Number three, quintessential. So, quintessential, I would say, it's the epitome of peak success or epitome of perfection, close to perfection, I would say. Try to attain that. Nobody can be perfect, but then we can achieve that perfection through practice. Although it's not needed, even if you are closer to perfection, that also makes sense. So, quintessential is often confused with essential. But one key difference is that the former is used to describe something or someone that represents the most perfect or the typical example of a quality. In contrast to the latter is defined as something that is absolutely necessary or extremely important. Alright? So quintessential, I would say, being, try to being the epitome of peak success, what the success means to you. Okay, try to reach that level of perfection. Don't become perfect at all in one day. It is gonna take time. It depends on from person to person. For few people to attain a new skill, it takes 3 months. For others, it could take 6 months or 1 year or quarterly. So it totally depends on how much time you are devoting to that particular thing. Number four, quality, like I always say and laid emphasis on, become quality, become a higher standard or level. Deliver that highest standard or level of work you are working on with the highest consistency. Okay. Number five, last but not least, quick in learning new things. You may be a quick runner or a quick study if you tend to learn quickly. If you tend to learn quickly, you will be able to understand those things quickly. And once you understand the new technologies or new things or new uh, changes, even it in politics, in career, in social, economic or community, anywhere in any spheres of life, you will be able to make better and quick decisions learning about those things. So be